All right, steady paws, hands, whatever. Ow! Carrot to the face. Cool, we're fine. Pouring milk like a pro. Nope, not a pro. Fire? Who authorized fire? And out. Yes, that'll impress the judges if the judges are raccoons. Well, Chef Whiskers survived.
Is that a cat?
Walking like he owns the place.
Oh no.
Maybe he needs thumbs.
That can't be sanitary.
Printer's eating the paper again.
Yep, he's gone. Did he just swipe out?